Shopify doesn't let you show estimated delivery date by product, but I'll show you how to do it right away. Hi there, I'm Sarah from NestScale, and today's videos I'll walk you through how to set dynamic estimated delivery date by products in your Shopify store. We'll go step by step, and each step will help level up your product page. Make sure to follow along till the end. The first step is install the app NS estimated delivery date. Head over to your Shopify admin, click on apps, and in the search bar type NS estimated delivery date. When it shows up in the Shopify App Store, click on it and hit install. On the next screen, click Install App in the bottom right corners and choose like that. NS estimated delivery date is now active on your store. Now it's time to display the estimated delivery date direct on your product page. You'll land on the app dashboard with a simple 3-step setup checklist. Click on Add Blocks. This brings you straight to the Shopify theme editors for your default product template. On the left sidebar, scroll down to Template, Apps, and click Add Blocks. From the list, choose NestScale EDD products. You'll instantly see the widgets appear live on the product page, usually just below the Buy Now buttons. It's look clean, modern, and you can drag it everywhere you like, above the Add to Cart buttons, next to variant selectors, or whatever fit the best. Personally, I like places right above the Add to Cart buttons. That's where decisions happen. Click Save to finish embedding the widgets. Next, let's make the message more useful for your shoppers. Back in the NS estimated delivery date dashboard, click on Global Rules from the left sidebar. This section controls the default message and logic for all products. You'll see a preview on the right. By default, it says something like free shipping through a country name. Not bad, but let's take it further. Try updating is to something like free shipping between delivery date min and delivery date max to country name. So you can see it shows up in the right side. Use a quick insert button below the text box to add dynamic variables like delivery date, ready date, and cutoff times. Want to create urgency? Use order in the next cutoff times for same delivery. You can also track the font size, highlight colors, and even drop in emoji to make it pop. Style how the delivery widget looks. Scroll down to the visual settings section. Choose from 3 layout modes: progress bar only, message only, or both together, which I recommend. You can change the colors for status text, date text, icons, and background. You can also rename the delivery state. Instead of order ready, why not say packing in progress? Adjust the date format for international customer, strict from US to Europe style, and if you are stored in multilinguals, just update the language code to match your customer browsers. Let's make sure your delivery times show correctly across time zones. Scroll down to the time zone settings section and toggle on automatic converted time zones. This automatically adjusts estimates based on each visitor's location, perfect for global brands. Below that is our soft message. Turn this on to show a note when product is sold out, something like currently out of stock or back soon. This only appears on out of stock items and helps set expectation clearly. Next step is configure delivery logics. Now let's define how your delivery window is calculated. Go to the estimated delivery time type. First, take the working days your team and couriers operate. If you don't ship on weekends, simply uncheck Saturday and Sunday. Then use the slider to set your fulfillment times. Order ready in 1 to 2 days. Delivery in 2 to 4 days. One done, hit save. Now let's make it even more accurate. Scroll through holiday settings, toggle it on, and click add date. A pop-up will appear. Enter the holiday name and pick the exact date. Click done. Now for cutoff time, super useful if you offer same-day fulfillment. Set a time like 4 p.m. or 8 p.m. Orders placed before this will use for regular delivery estimates. After that, it's shipped by a day. And finally, if you want to set dynamic estimated delivery date by products or need unique settings for just one product, use product rules to override everything else. This is perfect for one-off situations like made-to-order products or special campaigns. Click Add Product to select the product. Continue by selecting the specific products you want to edit. Edit the information in the widget settings to display the details as you prefer. Similarity, adjust the settings for the estimated delivery time. Click Save, then go to online store to check the product display. Repeat this process for other products. Make sure to display the corresponding estimated delivery date for each product. And just like that, you complete the 2 simple steps to display estimated delivery dates by products on Shopify. And that's a wrap. You just build a fully customized, high converting estimated delivery date right into your Shopify store. If this video helped you out, feel free to hit that like buttons. And if you're serious about creating a smoother, more trustworthy shopping experience, go ahead and install the NS Estimated Delivery Date app right now. If you want to take your product page design even further by adding clean, clickable color swatches, check out my other tutorial video right up here. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.